Hi guys, I hope you all are doing fine. My name is Sadik here, and today we are here to discuss about a trailer which has been recently released. The film name is Haseen Dilruba. It stars Tapsi Pannu and Vikrant Massey and Harshvardhan Rane in lead roles, and it is directed by Vinil Matthew, who last directed Hasi to Basi. I think it's his only directed film, I guess, right?
Yes.
I would like to ask Farad that how was the trailer and what was the key points that he derived from the trailer, and is he excited to watch the film now?
I actually was excited right from the time the movie was announced. When the first look was there, it seems like a neo noir murder mystery kind of a movie. Firstly,
Mm-hmm.
Sadik, this is a teaser. So the trailer will be
Yeah, sorry.
coming in the next few days.
Oh
This
yeah.
was just a teaser of a minute, I think. The teaser
Uh-huh.
does build up that intrigue, I think.
Yeah.
It's looking promising, but we'll have to see how the trailer is. The teaser seems quite interesting to me, and it has lived up to my personal hype of the movie. I actually am a fan of neo noir and murder mysteries, with Tapsi in the lead, and Vikrant Massey and Harshvardhan Rane. This is a unique mix of talent that we have in the movie. So I'm pretty excited. And Vinil Matthew directed the last Fasi to Fasi movie. So it's his second outing after 8 years. So
Yeah.
yeah, I am
And
excited.
so now we move forward to Sana. Sana, I wanted to ask you that who is probably the actor that you are actor or actors that you are most excited to watch in this film now?
Actually, the star cast, all three of them are really good. Tapsi has done some really, really good work in the past 3, 4 years. She's one of the most bankable actors. Vikrant Messi looks promising. He's been doing good job. But I'm excited for the most is Harshvardhan Rane because I last saw him in Tesh. I saw him in Tesh, and I think after before that he did a movie Sanam Teri Kasam. It didn't do commercially that well, but I loved his acting. He had this rough look about him, and he really the emotions that he portrayed were really good. And even in Tesh, he had this angry young man kind of a character. He portrayed that really well. I think he's a good actor. He's deserving, but I think he's underrated. So I'm really excited to look. I'm looking forward to see Harshvardhan Rane. It's a good cast.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So I'll now move towards Tanya. And Tanya, being an actress yourself and being in the media industry, so I wanted to ask you that do you think the casting is good? Because I'm personally a big fan of Tapsi and Vikrant Massey and Harshvardhan Rane too. So do you think the casting is really good? Because Vikrant has emerged really good now, and so has Harshvardhan Rane, and Tapsi is also a good actress. So what's your take on that? I
I
wanted to
think
ask you
that
about that.
I'm sorry. I think that the casting is very interesting, and it's finally good to see that these three actors are the main protagonists of the film. There is no like a superstar or a better well-known actor to support the film.
Exactly.
So it's very good to see
Exactly.
that these three people are holding the film together. Also, I never thought that this three combination would ever come in a movie together. So I think I'm like pretty excited to watch that. I have seen evolve Vikrant Messi since a very long time since he was doing TV. So I'm very excited to see him in this as well. And yeah, I think the casting is one of the best I've seen in 2021. When it comes to like a smaller cast, I'm talking about. So I'm very excited to see because they're really powerful actors, and I'm sure all three of them are going to stand out in their roles, and it's going to be very difficult for us to choose who is a better performer. So when there are actors like that who are going to bring like their own art in the film, I think it just creates magic on screen, and I think this is going to be one of those films.
Okay, good, good. So yeah, and I also wanted to mention personally about Vinil Matthew, the director of this film. So he has only directed one film, Asito Pasi, and I personally liked it. And I don't know why I consider it to be one of the best performances of Pariniti Chopra, because she had a quite a different role in that. Was She was quite weird in the first half. Then her personality suddenly changes in the second half when she, meets, Siddharth. And I think it was probably one of Siddharth's most better roles. I mean, he did really well. So I did found it to be very entertaining film, Sito Pasi. So I do expect that this film should be good because the star cast is good, and I think Vinil should do good work in this because the scripts and synopsis looks quite interesting in this. So yeah, I hope this film would be good, and it's releasing on 2nd of July on Netflix. So yeah, so that's it from our end. So let's hope that this film does turn out to be good. So guys, that's it from our end. So please like, share, subscribe our channel, and please press the bell icon, and if possible, do share your feedback in the comment section, and you can also suggest us that what would you like us to review or have an analysis on in the near future. Tat tak ke liye, take care and Allah Hafiz.
Thank you. Bye.
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 Well,
Bye.